This is the box I've been waiting for. I've seen Whoop everywhere. And with the brand new launch of the 5.0, it's finally time to see what the hype's all about. Is it really a game-changing fitness tracker like everyone claims it is? In this video, we're going to find out together. You'll get my completely unfiltered first impressions of a total newcomer to the Whoop community. Let's see if it's worth it and open this thing. Come with me. Let's do it. What do we got? What do we got? Cool. Medical grade. Ooh. Oh, it's okay. That's the extra strap that I got. Alright. Here we go. Nice. Nice packaging, as you would expect. Unlock yourself. Okay, get started. Scan. Alright, don't fucking scan that. Okay, here we are. Looking cool. There's no face on this. This is it. This is all you get, which is the whole point. It's just tracking everything. While you sleep, while you eat, while you swim. You can start recording some of your data and you can kind of see what works for you. So, pull this. Unlock that. Wow, I have no idea how to work this. Pull open the clasp. Trying, mate. I'm fucking trying, man. Alright. There we go. Whoop MG medical grade. Always on, always tracking everything you do. Need incognito mode for this thing. Just kidding. Why is your heart rate so high there? Okay, so that's that, hey? Let's see how she looks. Okay, so you just pull it and hope for the best. You know what? It's probably just gonna fit. First go. Track me, baby. Oh, well, I guess that's it, right? Yeah. Just like that. Cool. I won't need this watch anymore. There you go. All right. Easy. And we just connect it up. There's a little charger. How good's this? Ah, so this is a little battery pack, and this just clips on here. Yeah, bang, charging. Come on. Sweet. So you just hook it up to your phone, and it does heaps of cool stuff. Actually, the reason why I got this is it allows developers to build their own apps and connect to their API and hook it all up. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And that's why I wanted to do it. I wanted to connect it up to my own app, actually. So this is another band. This is a leather version. Tapered leather. Okay, looks good. Ooh. Shiny. Damn, that's hot. Yeah, I think that's probably a formal band. This is a active wear, we'll call that. Yeah, the clip's pretty cool too. I know that kind of clips on. I feel like I'll get used to this, but yeah, wow. So we just swap that over. And voila. All right, here we go. Let's have a look at how we connect this up and what's it all about. So just on their website at the moment, whoop.com. Whoop age. It's going to tell you if you're getting younger. That's funny. Optimize your sleep, measure the impact of every step and rep. Quantify how your body's feeling. Blood pressure. Measure the impact. Okay, cool. I guess I can probably click on all those. Built to be worn 24/7, zero distractions. I love that part. Always on sensor. Massive battery life too, so you don't have to really worry about it. So all different memberships. There you go. Choose whichever one you want. One device, endless ways to wear it. That actually does look good. I like it. Sport Flex, Cloud Knit, Super Knit. Okay, so you can wear it around your arm or your chest or something. That's interesting. Yeah, and then the app goes with it. Charger. Worn by the best. Sure. Yeah, no one really cares. Ronaldo! Well, there you go. Run the app. It does definitely look a lot different. We have 100% charge. Learn how to charge. Yeah, we saw the battery clip on there. Plan your first step. Learn what to expect from your first sleep. Ready to get moving. Start your first activity. Okay, so going back, your first week, which we don't have, I'll definitely come back and do that. Sleep performance. Steps, 17 steps. Oh no, that's not enough. I've got a long way to go. Yeah, obviously there's no data in here. I'll absolutely make another video in a week or two. Stress monitor. Yeah, cool. Well, this is kind of how it works anyway. This is what it looks like. Your heart rate. More. Get 1 month free. Okay. So there you go. That's pretty much how it looks on the interface there. Yeah, all in all, yeah, I think it's going to be a really good app for sure. And like I said, I can't wait to connect this to my own app as well, which will definitely make a video on how I created that, how I made it. So stay tuned for that one. All right, so I'm going to wear this thing for a couple of weeks and report back, see how it's all going. All in all, it looks really cool. Got the battery pack on right now, but it's at 100%, so there's probably no point putting that on. So yeah, it's looking good. The watch is gone. I'll probably still use the watch for like notifications during work hours. My full review is coming in a couple of weeks after I've actually tested it. What specific features do you want me to test? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to see that review, make sure you're subscribed. And thanks for watching.